Welcome! If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Black Shark 3, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So we can try to get application named CLONEit. You have to download this application on the both smartphones. Click on the install and of course do the same on this second smartphone. I just did it, so right now I can open it on our Android. It is the Huawei P30 Pro and also on our Xiaomi. Click allow once and here tap allow. Click on the yes, I agree. And right now we are sending data from the Huawei smartphone. So click sender, tap on set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. On the Xiaomi, click receiver, click allow all the time, click set, and also we have to turn on location and receiver once again and then tap start again. As you can see, we have to type a lot of times all the buttons, but right now we can go to our transfer. So let's select this Android share. It is our Android phone, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password right here manually, so we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code, so tap here, click allow, and right now grab your phone, put it the frame into the QR code, and right now they are connecting, so we have to wait a few moments. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything from this smartphone to your Xiaomi, you have to select all of these icons and then tap on start. But if you want to get only some details, maybe one game or video, picture or something like that, and you don't want to waste a lot of time, because if you want to send 800 photos, it will take a lot of time, right? So click here for the details. For example, I will show you on the music, on select, and only pick what you want. Write that. Okay, click maybe for these two songs, start. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. So it's really easy, as you can see. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.